I'm going to show you how to do what I call a Navy SEAL run in the pool. I'm going to show you how to do a parkour jump into the pool, and I'm going to show you how to do a parkour wall climb out of the pool. So here I am demonstrating what I call the Navy SEAL run in the pool. This is simply going to serve as a transition move from the parkour jump into the pool to the wall climb up. You're simply going to run in the pool just using your arms to assist you and propel you forward even faster. I have another more in-depth video tutorial on just this Navy SEAL run that I highly suggest checking out before you try this full routine, and I'll put a link to that video in the description below. The next move we're going to work on is the wall climb up. Place your hands about shoulder distance apart onto the top of the wall. Push your body up and kick one leg up onto the top of the wall, using your leg to help push yourself all the way up to stand. Then you can either sit down and lower yourself back into the pool gradually, or jump back down into the pool to repeat for the desired number of reps. Lowering yourself down will use your upper body muscles a little bit more, and jumping in will help prepare your legs for more advanced jumps and absorbing impact. Keep in mind you can also use your legs to help push yourself up from the bottom so that you don't have to just rely on your upper body strength alone. Moving on to the next progression, here I'm going to demonstrate the Navy SEAL run right into the wall climb up. Here you will not be able to use your legs as much to assist you in jumping up, but you can use your forward momentum to push yourself up into the wall climb up. This version is going to feel much more dynamic and powerful, and as if it's happening all in one motion. Now I'm going to go over the parkour high jump into the pool. Here you're going to jump forward and not just down. If you jump straight down, there is going to be much more impact on your knees and on your joints. When you jump forward and outward, you're going to reduce that impact. Start by performing a counter movement in the arms. This is simply swinging your arms back behind you. Then bend your knees and lean forward a bit. This helps create greater force and forward momentum. As your arms swing forward again, straighten the legs, thrusting the hips forward, and jumping up and out in front of you as far as you can. Then while you're in the air, you're going to tuck your knees back in a little bit with a slight forward lean. This will also help cushion your landing and disperse the impact. Then on the landing, you're going to recoil a bit, meaning you're going to let your knees bend into the landing. Then you're going to dive forward immediately. This lessens the impact even more. In regular parkour, you would do exactly the same thing, except after landing and diving forward, you would immediately go into a safety roll. Since I'm in the pool and the water is absorbing a lot of the impact, there's no need for the safety roll. So that again is the beauty of doing these parkour moves in the pool. However, if you want to get more into parkour, learning the safety roll is definitely one of the first things you should start to work on, especially before doing any kind of jumps. But again, the pool is a great way to practice some of these parkour moves safely while significantly reducing impact and risk of injury. Here's a quick example of what you don't want to do while you're in the air. Here, my upper body is leaning too far forward. It's almost horizontal, and it's as if I'm going to do a belly flop into the water. As you may know, one of the really cool things about parkour is a sequencing of different moves strung together in a nice flow to quickly navigate through an environment with various obstacles. And so now I'm going to show you how to string all these moves together in a nice sequence in typical parkour fashion. My favorite way of doing this is the parkour jump into the pool, immediately going into a dive to the other end of the pool, and then a Navy SEAL run back to the other end, and a wall climb up out of the pool, and then I repeat that for anywhere from 5 to 6 reps. And just a quick note here, guys, this pool is really ideal for me to do this sequence full length. I'm 6'2", and this pool is about 5 feet in the deep end as it comes up to about my shoulder height, and about 3 feet in the shallow end where it's at about waist height. For this sequence, you really want to make sure that your feet can touch the ground in order to do the Navy SEAL run. And if you can't do full length, you can always try side to side. If you go more shallow, it makes it easier. The deeper you go, the harder it is. And of course, if your feet can't touch the ground, you can still practice the wall climb up and the parkour jump into the pool. If you want to learn other cool pool workouts that do not involve swimming laps, remember to check out the Navy SEAL Run video I mentioned in the beginning. I also have a full body pool workout video that includes exercises like these and more that will strengthen your entire body, improve dynamic function, and increase lean muscle. I will put links for those in the description below, so be sure to check those out. And just the usual YouTube stuff, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you want to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe. I will be posting more videos on how to improve your health and fitness level and get in better shape in a variety of different ways. And if not, no worries. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video today. I appreciate you being here, and I hope to see you the next time.